Hi there, Sean Bailey. Welcome to this video where I'm going to talk about funnel scripts and how to make money with this awesome copywriting tool. So today I'm going to let you know my funnel scripts secret, how I use funnel scripts to actually put money into my pocket. The funnel I'm going to be talking about here, this bonus, you can take a look at it over at seanbailey.com/fast track, but let's get to it. So how to get paid to use funnel scripts? Well, the thing is people want done for you products. People are lazy, and if they can get stuff done for them, they will. So here's the thing, you basically create a hot offer, right? This is a done for you offer, done for you sales messages. People don't know how to write sales messages very well at all. So if you can offer to do this for them to solve that problem, people are going to take you up for it. And if you can make it exclusive and say, this is for, I've got room for 5 people only. This is it, right? 5 people, and then I'm shutting it down. Because that way you can introduce urgency and scarcity into your offer, which is genuine. You're only looking for a couple people to make this work. Next is that you use funnel scripts to fulfill on this offer that you put out. The great thing is that your client provides all the information that you need. And then you take that information that they've given you and turn it into a done-for-you product for them, right? So you get paid to do this. The great thing is that you can get paid $500, $1,000. I'm upping my price to $2,000 for the next person that I do this for myself. And that money, whether you do it once or twice, however you do it, will easily cover your $797 investment into funnel scripts, right? And when I say people will pay for this, they will. $500, here you can see for some webinar copy, $1,000 for some easy, again, done for you sales copy. And whether you want to do it once or over and over, process is really easy and really awesome, and I outline it inside my bonus, inside Funnel Scripts Fast Track. And I've called it my funnel scripts side hustle. So you might be wondering, well, does it cover how to advertise and get people that are going to want this service? Oh, yes. Do I give you done for you marketing material so you can just copy and paste and implement this as quickly as possible? Yes. Do I explain the entire process from getting the client, meeting up with them, closing, and then delivering the entire product? Yes. Do I cover what to say if the potential client has objections, which sometimes they do? Yes. Do I explain to you how to make sure that you get paid? Yes. Do I give you a simple script to follow that does not feel salesy in any way? Yes. Do I give you a complete video walkthrough from somebody who has made money using funnel scripts doing this method? Oh, hell yes. All you have to do is just go over to seanbailey.com/fast track and you can get access to my special funnel scripts bonus. Trust me, it is worth it. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to click on like and subscribe, as well as notify, so you can get notified every time I put out new videos. I'll see you in the next video.